Hello guys, welcome to my channel ريشة تعلم. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. In today's video, we are going to learn how to talk about location, how to use this vocabulary: top, bottom, center, left and right. Hope you enjoy it. Guys, I need your help. I need you to help me find the location of the car. Where is the car? Can you help me find it? Yes, there it is. Aha, the car disappeared. Where was the car? We are asking about the car, for example, yesterday, days ago, long time ago, for example, but not right now, in the past tense. Can you answer me? You don't know? Okay. Where are the cars? The cars are not here anymore. Where were the cars? Where am I? For example, if we are playing hide and seek, I can ask, where am I? Can you find me? To ask about location, guys, we need to use where, followed by the helping verb. Then you will say the thing you're looking for. For example, number one, where is the car? What are the possible helping verb? We can ask about singular or plural things. Singular, one thing. Plural, more than one. And we can ask about the present tense or the past tense. For example, where is? We're asking about now. Where was? We're asking about the past. Yesterday, days ago, in 2011. We can ask about more than one thing. Where are the cars? In the present tense, now. Where are the cars now? Where were the cars yesterday? Where am I? Where was I? Excellent. Good job. Now we learned how to use WH question to ask about location. Let's learn some vocabulary now. Vocabulary: top, bottom, center or middle, left and right. For example, you are the top. You took 100 out of 100. You are at the highest point of something. Bottom, for example, he took out his bottom teeth, so the lower teeth. Center or middle, for example, Ali is in the middle, so Ali is the boy sitting in the middle between the girl and the other man. Left. I want you to extend your hands now. The hand that makes the letter L is your left hand. The other hand is your right hand, the hand you eat with. Let's learn how to use them in sentences with the correct prepositions. To talk about location, we need to learn how to use the correct prepositions. Let's use your imagination now. I need you to imagine that this is a boy holding two balls and wearing a hat. Where is the hat? The hat is at the top. Let's try and look for another A. Where can we find it? Correct. It's at the bottom. So at the top, at the bottom. Left hand and right hand. We have two balls. One is on the left and the other ball is on the right. So if we want to talk about left and right, we use the preposition on. What can we find in the center? We can find the letter I, right? So I in the center. Let's say, for example, where is your heart? So your heart is in the center or in the middle. Both are correct. Don't worry. You can use center or middle, same meaning. Thank you, boy, for helping us explaining the correct prepositions for location. Here we have these pictures. A picture of a teacher, one teacher, two trees, two cubes, one clock, one cake, two dogs, one guitar, two handshaking, and I. The first row here, we call it top. Next, we call it center or middle. And the last row, we call it bottom. Here we have left column, middle or center, and right column. Now we want to ask about singular, one thing, in the present tense, now. Question number one, where? So we're asking about location. Is? We're asking about one thing, the cake. Where is the cake? The answer? You can use the X strategy where you change the places of the word is and the cake. So it becomes the cake is the location. For example, the cake is in the center. Or you can change the noun to pronoun. So you change the cake to it. It is in the middle or it is in the center. You can answer in a short form, it's. So you delete the I, join the two words, and here it is the short form. Question number two, where is the clock? Is, because it's singular. The clock is the thing we're looking for. Where is the clock? You can say the clock is in the center on the left. Or you can change the clock to it. It is. Or you can write it in a short form. It's. It's in the middle on the left. So we can have two locations to determine the exact location. If the answer is it is in the center only, then we are talking about the cake. The clock, it's in the center on the left. Question number three, where am I? The only pronoun that comes with the helping verb am is I. Where am I? I am on the right at the bottom. Or you can write it in a short form and say I'm on the right at the bottom. Make sure that when you answer, you use the correct preposition on, at, in. Now, let's learn how to ask about plural things more than one in the present tense right now. If you want to ask about the trees, the cubes, the dogs, the hands, more than one. For example, question number one, where are the dogs? We're asking about more than one dog. We have two dogs. We say are. Where are the dogs? Again, in the answer, you're going to use the X strategy where you change the places of the dog and are. The dogs are. Then you're going to tell the location. In the center, on the right. Make sure that you use the correct prepositions. You can change the noun to pronoun. They are in the center on the right. There. They're in the center on the right. This is the best answer. Question number two, where are the hands? More than one hand, two. Where are the hands? They're in the center at the top. Now let's ask about singular objects in the past tense. Question number 1. Where was the teacher? Because the teacher is not here now, so where was he? You can say the teacher or change it to he. He was on the left at the top. 2. Where was the guitar? It was on the left at the bottom. Where was I? I was on the right at the bottom. Here we're asking about the past tense and we're talking about singular things, one thing. If we want to ask about plural things in the past tense, where were the plants? They were in the center at the top. Where were the cubes? The cubes are not here now. They were here in the past. Where were the cubes? They were on the right at the top. Now that we have reached the last point of our video, I want you to play X and O with your friend. For example, you will say, I want to draw an O in the center. Your friend will say, I want to draw an X at the top on the right. The point of this game is that you have to say full sentences, and if you made any mistake using the correct preposition with the location, then your turn has to be skipped. Don't forget to tell me in the comments who won. Was it you or your friend? And if you still have anything you want me to explain, any other grammars, don't hesitate telling me in the comments. Hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video so other people can learn what you learned today.